not just skills and talent that make up an outstanding athlete. Even a healthy diet contributes to the success in the hard court. In an athlete's diet, even your favorite food must be taken in moderation. Bawasan ang pagkonsumo ng refined sugars gaya ng mga biscuit, saturated fat gaya ng sa butter. Sa halip, kumain ng maraming prutas, gulay at whole grains. Optimum basketball performance requires sound nutritional habits. Makukuha natin ang daily requirements ng nutrients sa buong pagkain kaya di dapat umasa lang sa mga supplements. Umiwas sa mga performance-enhancing supplements dahil na rin sa side effects nito. Drink plenty of water. Eat 5 to 7 smaller meals throughout the day. Ang isda, manok, tuna, lean beef, turkey, low-fat dairy products at muscle milk ay mayaman sa protein. Ang oatmeal, brown rice, whole wheat pasta, tinapay, sweet potatoes, beans, prutas at gulay ay punong-puno naman ng carbohydrates. Ang fat naman ay magmumula sa isda, mani at peanut butter. Uminom ng tubig sa workout, sa practice at sa laro. Mas mainam ang tubig kaysa sa mga energy drinks. Eat a diet rich in complex carbohydrates to provide the energy source to fuel your intense training, practices, and games. Kumain lamang ng konti bago maglaro. Consume your carbohydrate-rich foods and beverages as soon as possible after you play. These will help replenish your muscles' energy stores, replace any potassium or sodium that has been lost during competition or training. Fruits, vegetables, and salty foods are excellent for this. Kapag sinunod mo ang lahat ng ito, hindi ka lang healthy, mas lalo ka pang mag-excel sa basketball.